Now we will learn about creating the virtual environment for our CRUD application. Now we will create the virtual environment. Now we don't have any directory folders and all. So to create the virtual environment, first you should run this command pip install virtual environment. This will install the virtual environment in your local computer. This is for Linux and Mac OS. You can use in Windows there is a different way to activate, and here the virtual env, create your virtual env, and what you wanted to name your virtual env, you can do that. I will name as venv. So you can see here the virtual environment created. So that activate now by this command source this name of the virtual environment /bin activate. Okay, you can see this feedback on this left side is now virtual environment is installed. Now you can see here. Now next step is installing this environment setup is done now.